Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I'm going to show you how to customize watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera. Then tap on the gear icon to access its settings. Scroll down, find watermark, and here we can enable, customize it. So firstly, we have to enable it, and here we can write our own custom watermark, for example, something like that. And now let's try to make a photo to prove you that. And as you can see, here I have this beautiful watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.